All right, let's take a look at this one. I think where we have to start, right, is we have to start with the 7 and the 11. They're in series, right? That's 18. And then I go like this. And the 13 and the 18, right? Remember, this is just one resistor, right? The 13 and the 18 are in parallel. So that's going to be 13 to the minus 1 plus 18 to the minus 1. Right? So let's figure that out. 13 to the minus 1 plus 18 to the minus 1 to the minus 1 is 7.548 ohms. And that's this thing here. So that's a 7.548 ohm resistor, right? Now look at this. We've got a 3 ohm. Think of that as just one resistor. So that's 7.548 and a 5 ohm, right? That's just series. So if I do this, I'm almost done. Right, we've got 3 plus 7.548 plus 5. Let's figure that out. So 3 plus the number I just got, right, plus 5, 15.548. Right, now look at that. This whole thing is a 15.548. It is in parallel to a 17. This guy and this whole thing, this whole excrescence here is 15.548, right? So we're going to do a parallel circuit for that, right? That's going to be 17 to the minus 1 plus 15.548 to the minus 1 to the minus 1. 17 to the minus 1 plus that number I just got to the minus 1 to the minus 1. And that is 8.1209. We're almost there, 1209. Now we've got, this thing is an 8.1209 ohm. And it is in series with the 7 here, right? That's easy, right? That's just 7 plus 8.1029, right? So the final circling is this, right? So add that, so plus 7, you end up with 15.1209 ohms. Alrighty.